There is still time to grab your Advent kit from Illustrated Faith for this holiday season. Hey y'all, I'm Elisa, the Scrappy Wife behind ScrappyWife.com, and I'm really excited to share with you the Advent kit from Illustrated Faith. I just received my kit. I love this time of year and I love the study. I'm excited to unbox what I can. I'm not going to do any spoilers, so don't worry if you are wanting to keep some of the contents of the kit a surprise, the little Advent surprises. But I want to show you what is included in the kit. This is still available as of the time I'm filming this video to purchase from Illustrated Faith. It is the perfect way to get your heart in the right place for the holiday season. So if you want to see what is inside this year's Advent kit from Illustrated Faith, stay tuned. All right, so I'm super excited to see what is in the kit this year. The theme is Shine Bright, and it was put together by Shauna Noel and Kelly Bangs, who I absolutely adore. Her style is so bright and colorful, definitely my vibe. So stinking cute. There's a ton of goodies in here. Okay, I am going to take a minute to get things out. We'll get them organized, and we'll see what's included this year. All right, so let's start with this. This is the Advent box. This is the main kit. Comes in this cute little plastic box. All the pieces are there. Super fun and exciting. Let's see what we have. This is the introduction to the kit from Shauna Noel. And it just talks about what her prayer for us. It tells us the different themes. We have Shine Bright, Shine True, Shine Forever, Shine New for each of the weeks of Advent. And I'm excited to dive into the kits. Okay, so here is the idea behind this kit. Each week you get a little set of cards that will guide you through the week, and then the kit is full of all kinds of little surprises. I'm going to give you some little sneaks of some of the surprises, and then I'm going to try to pull out the cards and leave the rest as a little treat for you. But see, they have this beautiful ephemera, jingle bells, so cute. Some extra little tags. You have the little stars, and the idea would be that you would use all of these fun pieces to document your Advent journey this year. There's some beautiful washi tape, jingle bells, confetti, all the fun things. And then each week you have this little file card piece, I guess you would say, December 1st through 7th. It divides up the whole box and you can see what is in store for that particular week. So behind the file card, all the goodies, but let me show you an example of the cards. Little stars. It's so fun. There's so many goodies and it's fun to kind of peek and see what is in the kit yourself. All right, so we have Shine Bright for week 1, assorted mini bows, Isaiah 9:2, Luke 1:26 through 33, Matthew 1:22 through 23. When you go on the back, you have more John 1:1 through 5, Luke 2:8 through 14, John 8:12, and Isaiah 7:14. So what you can do for working through your week, you could keep this together. You could cut these cards apart and put them all on a ring, which would be super fun to work through, and then maybe add more cards throughout in like a junk journal mini ring style. I know they did have an acrylic mini album cover that you could get to put it together. I'm not sure if that is still available. There's lots of different ways to work through this. I will probably be putting all of these scripture references in my faith planner and then writing out the scripture there and then maybe including prayers in a junk journal ring of some sort. So that is an example of the cards. I'm going to peek in here and I'm going to pull out the rest of the cards because I kind of want to show you what they look like. All right, so we have Shine Bright, Shine True, Shine Forever, and Shine New. All of the little card sets. I think these are going to be so fun and cute to work through. Yeah, I think I will be cutting them apart. I think that will work really well. Or I wonder if you could like piece the whole thing together. You could totally make one big long like flip book situation where it was like an accordion book that you then put together and then you just documented on the full accordion book. That might be a cool way to do it as well. That would be cool. I feel like that would be fun and chunky. Maybe we'll experiment with that a little bit. But here's the card sets. This, like I said, it's full of a ton of different ephemera, stickers, all labels. There's jingle bells. There's all the different things you can imagine are in that box. I don't want to show you all the surprises because sometimes it's fun to dig through and find them yourselves. Some people like to save the surprises and open them week by week. I can guarantee you I will be opening them all and using them all right at the beginning because that's kind of what I do. But luckily, there is the print and pray shop. So if and when I run out of pieces, I can just always add more from the print and pray shop. I think this is a beautifully designed set. These colors are giving me life this Christmas season. I'm all here for these bright, fun, bold colors. Let's just check out this washi. Since we're here and there's washi to be found, I can't really pass up getting to see brand new washi. So I'm going to open this up. Illustrated face washi is some of my favorite because it's always like on trend in colors and design, but it's simple enough. You don't have to just use it with one particular kit. You know what I mean? Like it's not so themey that you'll never be able to use it again. This one is a tape that you'll be able to use throughout the holiday season. It is red with pink little snow sparkles on it. It's like a really light pink, almost white. Maybe it is white, but it like looks like pink to me. I think that is so pretty. That is washi tape that is included in the physical kit. So you can pick up the physical kit. They also have a print and pray version so you can grab these cards. And then there's some other fun things that are available in the shop that I'm excited to share with you now. All right, so speaking of fun washi tape, here's one of the other brand new washi tapes. How fun would it be, you guys, to use this on your packages this year as you're wrapping presents? It's a pretty strong wrapping, it's a pretty strong washi tape, which is awesome. This is a beautiful bow theme. Let me see if I can find the end here to open it up. There we go. This would be really pretty to get like a really simple wrapping paper and then use the washi tape as almost the decorative element. Look at the bows. How fun is that? I love that washi tape. That is super pretty. Love kind of the like craft paper look background, all of the bows and the beautiful colors. That is awesome. I cannot wait to use all of these goodies and to play and have fun putting this together. There's also obviously bows are like the big theme. So they have a bow stencil. Perfect. I love stencils because I think they're the best thing you can invest in your craft space because you can use them over and over and over again. You can either trace in these to add bows to your planner or whatever. You can use ink through this, which is what I tend to do. So fun. So you have that. Then there is the Shine Bright paper pack. Now this is going to be cool because this is going to give us a little preview of what is happening in this kit. Shine Bright paper pack. Let's check this out. Are these? Yes, they're double-sided. We're here for it. Kelly Bangs does such a good job designing papers. Stop it. Look at all these vintage like baubles. Oh, I love it. This is probably a preview of some of the pieces we're going to see in the kit. You have the stars. The back is all this colorful grid paper. The paper. These are gorgeous. Even if you're just making Christmas cards or decorating your planner, loving this. Look. All our vintage ladies. It's like our simplicity models from sewing patterns. Oh, I love that. Pretty. Loving the plaid. Here's our bows. Good variety. These are going to be fun to work with. I love paper. You guys, I love paper. It does have a little bit of a gloss to it, so there will be a little bit of a sheen. Just a heads up. This is a pretty color. Heads up on that. It would almost be fun. I guess since these are double-sided, it would be hard. I'm like, you could do a card, a page, and make like a bigger album for Christmas. If you wanted to document memories this Christmas, that would also be wonderful. Oh, loving the paper. That's the Shine Bright paper pack. Absolutely gorgeous. Then there are these, which I think are going to be super handy because look, these are the library cards. Elaine Davis, who works with Illustrated Faith, always does a fabulous job designing the library cards. Hold up, I thought I opened it and I did not. Elaine is like our basics queen. Anytime she designs a stamp set or cards, you know it's going to be something you can use over and over again. So she designs cards that go in the color scheme. So we have the red, pinks, different versions. They're all different colors. These will be perfect for mixing in to your ring. Love those. These are beautiful colors. Unexpected Christmas colors, and I'm here for it. Oh, the mint is nice. I'm here for all of it. So pretty. So those are available also. Then additionally, there were a couple pins. I will sing of the goodness of God. Love that. This would be so cute to put on your like church bag during the holiday season. You have this one that says hope. And then this looks like a set of cards. Hope came down, reflections of God's love for Advent and always. Let's check these out. I'm going to open this up. Now, this looks like an Advent card set. Let's see what we got. Oh, designed by Christina. So I love this. She said, I'm so glad that you picked up these cards and are reading them. You should know that with God, there are no coincidences. So this is the exact time that God wanted you to read these. There is no doubt that God has used me to send these sweet reminders of his goodness, faithfulness, and love at this exact time in your life. So what I love to do with these cards is when they've done Advent cards in the past, what I tend to do is I punch a hole in the card in the corner, and I leave them out on our dining table during the holiday season. And when we sit down for meals as a family, we look at the card. We read the card. The kids take turns. We have to schedule out the turns because they're kids, so they will fight over it. But we take turns. We read. There's a scripture reference and then a short devotional. It's a wonderful thing to do as a family during this season. This is not necessarily something you need to decorate or something that you need to do a huge project for. You certainly can, but I use these as daily reflections throughout the holiday season. And I love doing it with someone else. I do it with my family. You could do it with a partner. You could do it with a friend, and both of you have the same cards and you're reflecting. I think it's just beautiful, gorgeous colors. They all kind of match the kit. So if you're wanting to incorporate these into this Bible study, like all of this stuff, that would work as well. So these are designed by Christina Prophet. She has been working with Illustrated Faith for a while now. Also, they are beautiful and bold. Look at all of those. Oh, I love it. And there's even a prayer at the end. These are awesome. It goes through day 25, all for his glory. I will sing of the goodness of God. These are beautiful, you guys. I love, love, love this. So this is kind of another option. You can incorporate it in. You could do this whole study separately. There are several options over on the Illustrated Faith site. So be sure to head over and check it out before they are all gone. All right, y'all. Thank you so much for joining me today to check out this unboxing. It is a ton of goodies, some of which are still available. Now, Illustrated Faith has two halves to their website. They have the physical products, which is things you see right here, and there are even more goodies than what you see here. Then they also have the digital side of the shop. So a lot of this you can download digitally. Maybe you're overseas. Maybe you want to invest a little less. Maybe you want to manipulate sizes to work into your faith planner, whatever the case may be. There's a digital side to the shop as well. So be sure to check that out. Let me know down below if you have already picked up an Advent study for this year, or if you plan to head on over to Illustrated Faith. I'd love to hear what your plans are this holiday season. All right, thank you so much for joining me. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Consider hitting that subscribe button as well as the bell notification button. Otherwise, I hope that you have a fabulous day. And as always, keep it creative.